my channel. This is your girl Sassy. If this is your first time watching me, welcome to the family. Please click the red subscribe button to join this family. Give this video a like, leave a comment, and guys, share. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, guys, I want to teach you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. Today's video is going to be a quick one, and yeah, let's go straight into it. Okay, so to do this everyday makeup, I need just some few things. Okay, I don't do too much on my face. I just need some few things. The first thing that you will need is your beauty blender, your foundation brush, your powder brush, your powder, of course, your powder, then your concealer, your color corrector, your mascara, your lip gloss, then your setting spray. So yeah, let's begin.
So you color correct. You don't have to do too much. You just blend it in. Your concealer, take your foundation brush and you blend in. Take this and just go through your eyebrow and eyebrows to give your eyebrows definition. on your powder brush and just go like this. After you apply your powder, you take your mascara, then you apply your mascara. So after applying your mascara, you take your setting spray, then you spray it all over your face. You blow for a minute. Then you take your lip gloss. Final touch. So guys, this is how I do my everyday makeup look. So I'll be right back after I'm done with my hair.
So guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give this video a like, leave a comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.